Ever wondered if those zero to millionaire videos truly hold the key to turning mere pennies into a fortune? But what if I told you there's a hidden path, a clandestine strategy far from dumpster dives or lucky breaks? I'm Chad, and today we're taking on the enigmatic world of true wealth creation. Leave the old tricks behind. We're about to uncover the real secrets to going from zero to a million. No smoke and mirrors, just the covert roadmap to riches. Ever seen those zero to millionaire sagas? People diving into dumpsters, scavenging for treasures, flipping freebies, all in pursuit of that mythical path to wealth. It's captivating, right? But amidst the thrill and frenzy, there's a cloak and dagger game at play. Enter Chad, a net worth millionaire with first-hand tales. Beyond the surface glimmer, these videos often miss the beating heart of the journey. All right, let's dive deeper into the journey. Imagine this, folks. It's the year 2035, and I'm standing at ground zero with a wallet as light as a feather. No debts hanging over my head, but here's the kicker. No assets to call my own either. It's a fresh start, a clean slate, and we're gearing up to rebuild this fortune from the ground up. Now, before you get all jittery about dumpster diving or sketchy shortcuts, let me assure you, we're playing a different game. No time for old couch-flipping shenanigans here. We're talking about a strategic game plan, a roadmap to resurrect a fortune from scratch. So buckle up, because the journey from zero to millionaire is about to get real, and I'm about to spill the secrets that those glossy videos often overlook. All right, let's lay the groundwork for this journey to millions. First stop, getting in sync with your partner. We're talking about that all-important money talk. It's not just about whispering sweet nothings, it's about aligning those dollar dreams. See, if you and your better half aren't rowing in the same money boat, it's like trying to dance a tango with two different beats. We need to sync up those financial goals to sail smoothly towards that millionaire horizon. Now, next on our hit list, setting goals that aren't just pie in the sky. We're talking specifics, folks. Think laser-focused, crystal clear, and definite. It's like aiming at a target you can see, not shooting arrows in the dark. Whether it's saving up for that dream vacation or plotting the course to millionaire status, it's all about painting that financial picture with specific, measurable strokes. Imagine this goal. Save $10,000 by the end of next year to invest in a diversified portfolio. Now, that's the kind of goal-setting magic we're talking about. It's not just about saying, I want to save some money. It's a clear target with a dollar sign and a deadline. It's like saying, I'm aiming for that bullseye and here's my plan to hit it. See, it's specific, $10,000. It's measurable, either you've saved it or you haven't. And it's time-bound by the end of next year. That's how we set goals that lead us right to the pot of gold at the end of the financial rainbow. It's time to uncover the why that fuels your money moves. Think of it as the engine driving a high-speed train toward your financial destination. Your why is the backbone. Whether it's creating a secure future for your loved ones, gaining the freedom to chase your passions, or simply wanting that peace of mind. It's this why that keeps you pushing forward, steering you through every challenge, and staying laser-focused on those money goals, no matter what life throws your way. Now let's talk about that pesky debt monster lurking around the corner. Debt's like a silent thief stealing your hard-earned cash. It's a ball and chain holding you back from sprinting towards financial freedom. We're talking about credit card debts, car loans, all those sneaky culprits gobbling up your paycheck faster than you can say money matters. If you're serious about building wealth, avoid debt like the plague. Let's chat about ramping up that cash flow beyond your regular job. Side hustles are the unsung heroes here. They're like those bonus bucks you can add to your wallet. It's all about finding gigs in your free hours, showing off what you're good at, whether it's promoting stuff, rocking out, or even being the life of the party. These side gigs, they're like extra cheese or pepperoni on your financial pizza. They just make it better. Hey, let's pause for a sec. There's this tricky thing called lifestyle creep. It's when your spending sneaks up along with your earnings. It's like running a race, but the finish line keeps shifting away from you. But don't stress, we've got tricks up our sleeves to beat this thing. It's about being savvy, not splurging on things you don't really need, and directing that extra cash straight into your money-growing schemes. Once you rein in that sneaky lifestyle creep, your savings and investments will be cheering you on. Building an emergency fund. Imagine having a financial buffer, your own safety net when life throws unexpected challenges your way. That's what an emergency fund is all about. A stash of cash reserved for those unforeseen circumstances. It's not about being pessimistic, it's about being prepared. Whether it's sudden medical expenses, unexpected car repairs, or even a job loss, having this fund in place gives you peace of mind, ensuring you can weather the storm without completely derailing your financial goals. Investing in retirement. Now let's talk long-term financial security. Investing in retirement accounts early on is like planting seeds in a garden. You water them little by little, and eventually, you'll reap a bountiful harvest. It's about setting up those accounts as soon as possible, whether it's a 401k, Roth IRA, or other retirement plans. Starting early means your money has more time to grow and work for you, giving you a solid financial cushion when you're ready to hang up your boots and enjoy the golden years. Buying a modest home. Owning a home is like planting roots in your favorite spot on earth, but buying smart is key. It's not about scoring the biggest or fanciest house on the block. Instead, it's about finding a place that fits your needs without blowing your budget. Think of it like picking the right pair of shoes. You want comfort, style, and something that doesn't make you stumble financially. A modest home might not be a mansion, but it's a step toward building equity and stability, laying the foundation for your future. Practicing patience in wealth building. Let's talk patience, the not-so-secret ingredient in this wealth-building recipe. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about the long game. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a whole lot of persistence. It's like growing a tree. You start with a seed, nurture it through seasons, and eventually it becomes this strong, towering presence. Similarly, your wealth grows gradually, compounding over time. It's not an overnight thing, but trust me, the journey is worth it when you see those financial fruits down the road. Hey, if you're itching for more details on any of these strategies, I've got your back. Dive into the nitty-gritty by checking out the individual breakdowns I've got brewing for you. And hey, speaking of more content, how about we dissect each of these strategies in our next video? Sound like a plan? I'm all ears for what you want to see next, so drop your thoughts in the comments. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's talk. Thanks a ton for hanging out and diving into these money moves with me. If you liked what you heard, smash that like button, subscribe for more money smart content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep hustling, keep those financial dreams alive, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!